Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I shall be sharing with you the recipe of this amazing oil which is made from a superfood. This oil has a lot of benefits for your skin. It can reduce pimples, it can improve the complexion of your skin, also reduce pigmentation and give you a glowing skin. If you want to know, please continue watching. So for this purpose, I am using Moringa leaves which are found easily in the market. Also you can purchase it online. The dried leaves of this you can purchase, or if you look around you may find one tree somewhere which you where you can take the leaves of it and use in this oil. It has a lot of benefits. It has antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory properties. It can brighten your skin, help to reduce sun damage, and also protect your skin from the harmful rays of sun, and also it will increase the elasticity of your skin when used regularly. So I have got a bunch of these leaves. I had just put it in a plastic cover overnight so that it will drop off, all the leaves will drop off and the stems will be separated automatically. You need not worry for separating the leaves, thinking it is too tiny and it is too tedious process. All you need to do is just wrap the bunch of these leaves in a cloth or in a newspaper, or you can put it in a plastic cover. The leaves will just fall off. It will do the job of separating from the stalk, and it's a very easy process. You can wash these leaves before wrapping it in the cloth, or you can wash after you have separated from the stalk. So once you have done with this job, it is time to dry these leaves. Drying your leaves will take at least one day. Therefore, make sure that you collect all the leaves and dry it in a. Usually, you should dry it in shade, not in direct sunlight. Drying in shade will retain the color and also the properties of these leaves. Therefore, drying it in the shade will help you to get the maximum benefits. Here, I'm just putting it on a flat surface. I'm using a wooden board. You can put a mat or a piece of cloth. You can spread it on the floor and dry these leaves. It will take one day, and make sure that there is some little bit of sunlight which comes through the windows where you will dry this, and it will become good enough to be made into powder. After a day of drying, this is how it looks. So if you squeeze in between your hand in your palms, it should become powdery. Then it is good enough to be ground. But if you find it a little bit still not so dry, you can continue drying for another half a day, and this should be ready. So to grind this, you need to collect all the leaves and put it in a mixer jar and grind this into fine powder. The moringa powder is ready. You can store this in the refrigerator for more than 3 to 4 months. Keep it in a airtight container. Then whenever you want, you can use this powder. If it is coarse, you can strain it, make fine powder out of it and use it for whatever you want. For this particular video, for this particular oil, I am taking fine powder. So I'm just filtering 2 tablespoons of this powder, and I'm going to use the fine powder to make this facial oil. If you have coarse powder, it will help you in making shampoos or even soaps. You can use it for tea, you can use it in body scrub. And there are so many uses of this powder. So here to make this oil, I am taking 2 teaspoons of this fine powder, and I'm going to add oil to this. You can choose any oil. For this particular video, I'm taking vitamin C oil made of orange peels. I have a video on that. You can check it out. And if you don't have that oil, you can use olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, any oil which suits your skin. Usually it will work best for dry skin people, but if you have oily skin, you can mix this with little bit of this oil you can mix with little bit of aloe vera gel and apply on the face. But it is surely going to help all those people who are facing problems with their skin texture, like irritation, sunburns, pimples, pigmentation. So all these problems will be solved with this oil. So after putting this oil into the bottle, I'm going to keep this in the sun for at least 2 to 3 days. I'm going to shift places and keep it as and when where there is sun. And after 2 to 3 days, this oil will be ready, which can be strained. Since I have used fine moringa powder to make this oil, I'm going to keep this as it is and use this oil. If you have used coarse powder, you can strain it out. So just take 2 to 3 drops of this oil in a dropper. Apply on your face thoroughly during the night time. It is suitable for all skin types. Like I said, if you have oily skin, just a little bit of aloe vera gel along with this will help you to get that result. This will show the results within a month, and it is very good for people who are suffering from skin problems. So try this oil and see how it works. And if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you want anything else, you can comment in the comment section below. You can share this with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.